So Joel, tell us a little bit about what Brightwater is doing on the construction side to achieve zero energy homes.
That's a good question, Michael, but actually way before the construction side, the biggest thing we're doing right now is really coordinating with architecture on the design of zero energy homes. It really starts there. If you wait until construction, it's way too late. So the coordination effort that's going on right now starts at the very beginning. We're looking at things, how the home is oriented, the roof pitch, the orientation of the roof, how it might work with solar, the location of mechanical rooms, location of ductwork, how efficient can that house be made from the very beginning. That's part of the goal, and if you wait until construction, it's really too late. The stuff that kind of goes into the house is kind of, it's really secondary. It's really about the design in the beginning.
Well, that's really exciting. Well, tell me a little bit more about what are some of the other features that could go in the house other than the architectural design?
A lot of people might actually walk into a zero energy home and not even recognize any features at all outside of maybe solar panels on the roof, possibly a tankless water heater. And we have those things, but there's a lot of other things that go into a zero energy home that you might not even be aware of. And a lot of it starts with the envelope of the home. So we have things like high efficiency windows. We've got spray foam insulation in the homes. Some of the homes may have geothermal HVAC units, which are really just a high efficiency HVAC unit. And what you wouldn't see is the unit outside the house that you're used to seeing outside, making the noise and running on, right outside of a window. Tankless water heaters as well, that you mentioned. And then just really a lot that goes into the tightness of the envelope. And with the envelope of the house, it's really just your exterior. And what you want to do is reduce your consumption and energy consumption before you think about trying to offset your energy consumption. So that's really important. And by doing that, the most efficient that you can be with your design, really with your HVAC is huge. About 50% of a common home in the US is their energy consumption is just from heating and cooling their house.
Wow, so it's really bringing all those parts and pieces together to achieve this.
That's right. And a lot of people associate solar with zero energy, and that is certainly a part of it. But the way it all kind of works together, you start from the beginning to model the house, to reduce your energy consumption, put the construction together that helps facilitate that. And then at the end, when you've got that lower energy consumption, you offset what's left with solar generation. And that's, it's not about just building a house and slapping some solar panels on there. And it kind of all works together. So at the end of the day, you're at least generating what you're consuming. So you have a zero energy home at that point. And you'll notice it in your electrical bill for sure.
Well, sounds great, and I look forward to taking that journey with you.
Excellent.